Now that you have your Google Mail set up, we're going to move ahead and look at the various things that you can do with it. First and most obvious thing is to read an email, and you can see the difference here between this one, which wasn't red, it was in a darker colour, and the lighter coloured ones are the ones that you've already read or looked at. Once you go into an email, in this particular email you cannot reply to it, and it will let you know whether you can or not. Usually in the subject it says no reply or something similar. But just for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you how to reply to an email, which is at the bottom, and it says reply. Once you click on that, it will automatically fill in the details of who it's going to, and you would just start typing your email, and when you're finished you would just press send. To go back in this inbox to a previous step, you just press this symbol with a back pointing arrow. If we open that one up again, if I wanted to forward this instead of reply to it, once again I would scroll down. We're going to just put that in the bin, and this time we'll click on forward, and you would type in the email address that you want to forward it to. You can choose whether to leave this information in or not, and then you would just type in your text in this box here. Once you've finished, you would just click on send, and that will send it off to the email address that you're forwarded to. To compose a new email, you simply click on the compose red button or maroon button that's on here, and a new box will open up, and once again you can see, because I've used the email address before, it automatically searches for one that matches, and you would just click on that, give it a subject, and type in your text and send it. You can do other things as well, formatting options, attach a file or a photograph, insert files using Drive, which is a free thing that comes with your email inbox, insert photos, insert a link to a website, for instance, or insert a smiley face. Once you've finished, you would just click on send, and you can see a small box has opened up here which says leave this page or stay on this page, and we're back to our inbox. So we've covered replying, we've covered forwarding, and we've covered composing a new email. One thing you might find useful is if you click on if you don't see it on the left hand side here, if you click on the more button, you can do more basically. And one of the things that you want to do, I would suggest, is create a new label, as it's called, and we'll create one called Google. And what I want to do is to select the emails that I've had so far, which are from Google, and I want to move them to the label we just created. So I'm going to click on this symbol of a folder, move to, and then click on Google. That way, once you've dealt with something, it doesn't show in your inbox anymore, but you're still keeping copies in the different folders, or in this case Google. You would go into there and you can see the 3 emails are now in this folder. If you want to check to see if you've received any email while you've been working in other folders, for instance, you just press on refresh and it will refresh your inbox, go back to your inbox, and you can see there's nothing there at the moment. These tabs across the top, one is called Social, which is a tab or folder of its own, and you can see there's another one in here from Google, and I'm going to do the same again and move it to the Google folder, and that's stored away now in the Google folder. If we open that up, have a look, you can see there are now 4 messages there. The number against an email indicates that you've done a couple of things with it, in this case 2 things with it. This number will change. If you don't see any number after it, it means you haven't replied or forwarded or done anything else with the email apart from read it. And that just about covers the basics of the Google Mail inbox. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.